That is so fun! How can you get this off-road? Hi, I'm Julie Woon and I'm here at the Above and Beyond tour, and this driving experience is something I've not experienced before because I get to drive the Velar off-road. I've tried it before on normal road surface, normal road condition, and it's such a breeze to drive. So this is the first time I'm bringing it off-road through different obstacles and different terrains to have an input on how it would perform. And I must say, overall, if I could sum it up in one word, it was phenomenal. It's so easy to drive, it's speedy, and it's so versatile, super powerful. The car is just so capable and you just want to push it to its limits. And surprisingly as well, because I think a lot of people will be intimidated by the size of it. And if you see the challenge, you know, there's mud, there is slopes and a lot of different obstacles. But it was so easy to maneuver. I would say it's a misconception that this wouldn't be suitable for a female, because this would be perfect, I would say, for anybody. A lot of ladies would love the sheer comfort and how smart this vehicle is, you know. As a female driver, and I must admit that I'm not the best driver out there, you know, I've got my fair shares of scratches here and there. My estimation is questionable as well. So the first time I saw the car, I was in doubt because it's the biggest car that I've ever driven before. And in terms of skills, mine was just 5% and the car did 95% of the job, you know. You sort of just forget the sheer size of it, but it's so spacious inside. I'm not even pressing any pedal. No brakes, no accelerator. Just steering. This is a dumb-proof car. You don't even have to know how to drive. Oh, but you should have your license. I've never went in a pool with a car before. We're approaching the wading pool. The wading pool was quite deep, and it may seem intimidating that you are submerging the car partially into water, but once you get the hang of it, so smooth. We're in the pool right now, so you know, you don't even notice the water. Just trust the car is built to handle all sorts of different types of terrain. And it's perfect for the floods that we get in Malaysia, especially during this raining weather. It really suits everybody and all sorts of driving styles and experience as well. It's really just a car for all. Such an amazing car to drive. Oh my God! So comfortably. I love it! I love this car.
Yeah.
Can I keep it?